show you guys how you use your Norwex that you've gotten. And it's pretty simple, okay? Very, very simple. Anytime you're thinking about using any type of paper towel or chemical cleaner, you have Norwex as a solution, okay? You don't even need them at all. I have not used paper towels in over 4 years, no joke. So what you need is your Envirocloth, okay? That's your everything cloth. Don't forget that the names of the cloths are written on the tag. So let me show you this right here. So right here you see E, think E for everything, for Envirocloth, every surface in your home. And then you have your window cloth. Yours is purple. Now think P for polish. Okay, it is called a window cloth, but that's not how you're going to use it. You're going to use it to polish every single surface after you use the Envirocloth. So I've already told you about the microfiber and why it's different. So I'm just going to show you how it works. So you have your microfiber. You want to get it thoroughly wet. It's heavy with wetness, but if I go to wring it out, maybe we're going to get a drip. That's it. Okay, it should not be dripping wet. It is the microfiber that does the work, not the water. Okay, now fold it into fours, just like this. So I've folded it in half and fold it into half again. So what this does is this gives you 8 clean surfaces to use, and you want to use it flat. If it's scrunched up, look at all the different surfaces or parts of the cloth that will not be in contact with your surface. So that's why you want to use it flat. And then when you do, it's going to lift and remove 99 up to 99% of bacteria from every surface. So now that you have this wet, what I've done to show you this demo, and I want you to picture, it's not just cleaning your countertop, it's cleaning your stainless steel, your windows, your mirrors, your toilet seats, get the toothpaste off of the mirrors in the bathrooms or any splatters on the faucets, just this, okay? So here we go. I've taken lots of peanut butter. Normally, you would grab some kind of all-purpose cleaner and a paper towel. You do not need that. I just did a demo. That's why I have a dirty paper towel up here. Okay, so here we go. All I have to do, everything is trapped on this cloth. It is a complete clean surface, and you can fold it over. Just make sure you get everything. Now you can see the surface is wet, or maybe you can see in this video. Now you're gonna follow up with the polishing cloth. You can use this one a little bit more scrunched. It's a little bit different in this way, but I still do it about like this. Now my surface is dry, it's streak-free, there's no lint, and it has removed 99% of bacteria. In fact, the Envirocloth does 99.9% bacteria. The window cloth just on its own does 99.4. So wet or dry, it gets the job done. So now, if you are doing your windows or your mirrors or your stainless steel, Envirocloth wet first, polish it dry with the window cloth. Easy, easy. So if you have spills around your house, if you're cooking and cleaning, wipe it down with this one. You can also, let me see here, where did I put the other cloth? Okay, so you also have your kitchen towels, right? So again, don't dry your hands off with paper towels. Dry them off with this. It also removes up to 99% of bacteria, and it has the back lock in it, which self-purifies the cloth itself. So these guys are perfect for drying your hands throughout the day. They will also pick up what you missed while washing your hands. And then the small one that came in your set, see, I was just using this. You can see that, it's wet. This one, you can use this wet and dry. If you have crumbs, like say you cut up a muffin or something like that, and you have crumbs on your counter, you can just take this and wipe this. Everything's gonna get trapped in these ridges. So this is great for the kitchen use because it's gonna dry faster than your Envirocloth. So use this for your hands or for drying dishes. Use this one for picking up those kitchen messes on your kitchen table or on your counter surfaces.